Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook username on iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application. From here, you need to tap on Menu on the bottom right corner. After that, you need to tap on your profile and see your profile on the top. Now, you need to tap on the three dots on the top. After that, you'll get to your profile settings. From here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll get to see your profile link. And here, as you can see, there is a link below it. So here on the link, the text after facebook.com/ should be your username. If you do not have a specific username, it will be set as a number like this. So from here, you can tap on copy link in order to copy it, or you can also copy the last part in order to share it wherever you want. So that is how you can find Facebook username on iPhone. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.